Welcome to Next Wave Bikes. Today, we're looking at a superbike that's both a track monster and a street legend, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory. Known for its powerful engine, advanced tech, and premium Italian design, this bike is built for speed enthusiasts and those who want cutting-edge performance. Join us as we dive into the details of the Aprilia RSV4 Factory. Starting with the design, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory exudes Italian craftsmanship and attention to detail. Its aggressive styling features a sharp front fairing with distinct triple LED headlights, integrated winglets, and an aerodynamic body that's sculpted for performance. The sleek tank and compact rear give it a race-ready profile, while carbon fiber accents and high-quality finishes add a touch of luxury. Every curve and edge is engineered to enhance airflow and stability, making it a beautiful blend of style and function. Now, let's talk about the tech. The RSV4 Factory is packed with advanced electronics, including Aprilia's APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control System, which offers multiple ride modes, traction control, and wheelie control, all customizable to suit your riding style. The Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 electronic suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions, giving you optimal comfort and handling. The bike's full-color TFT display is easy to read and gives you access to various settings, so you're always in control. This superbike is a perfect mix of power and precision. Under the hood, the RSV4 Factory features a 1099cc V4 engine that delivers exceptional power and torque. With its high-revving engine and advanced exhaust system, this bike sounds as fierce as it feels. The quick shifter and lightweight frame make acceleration seamless and allow for incredible agility on both straightaways and turns. Equipped with Brembo brakes, the RSV4 offers top-notch stopping power, ensuring you're always in control, whether you're on the track or the street. This bike is designed for riders who crave thrilling performance. That wraps up our look at the Aprilia RSV4 Factory. From its stunning design to its cutting-edge technology and race-ready performance, this bike is a true masterpiece for serious riders. If you're looking for a superbike that combines Italian style with unrivaled power, the RSV4 Factory might just be your next ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on the RSV4 Factory. Thanks for watching Next Wave Bikes, and until next time, ride safe.